Hey, Daddy bro, how's it going? Hi, happy New Year, guys. Yeah, what? I'm just walking in the neighborhood with the GoPro. What?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm walking past some of the houses. Hi, happy New Year, guys. Yeah, happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
We're all on, Josh.
Oh, this is a conference call. Okay, yeah, I'm just walking around the neighborhood by myself. Yeah, someone, I'm like right under it. Someone just went out the street. Hello? Yeah, I'm like right under it. Sorry about the, wow. Yeah, I'm like, a couple of guys, yeah, a lot of these guys, they have like a cache of fireworks in their garage. It is a nice display. He's got like a, it's like the size of like a case of beer. It's like the size of like, yeah, it's like the size of like, a keg of beer. Hello? Yeah, they surprised me. They took the box out. Say Happy New Year. Hi. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Hey!